Tonight, I'd like to share a few things with you about my personal life that maybe some of you have never known. I was born to parents who were not Muslims. My mother, I don't remember her going to the church, but I do remember her making me and my brother always to go to church every Sunday. I don't know if my father ever went to church, but both he and my mother considered themselves Christians. When I was 5 years old, I lived in an apartment building in Brooklyn on Clawson Avenue. And even at that age of 5, I'll never forget this experience. My father called me into the kitchen, Clawson Avenue. He said, "Son, come here." My father went and got a little cup. He went into the closet and got a bottle of liquor, alcohol, khamra, and poured the liquor in the cup. He said, "Son," speaking to me, "I want you to drink that." 5 years old. He said, "That'll make a man out of you." How can a 5-year-old boy argue with his father? I don't know better. My father doesn't know better. So I, as an obedient child, pick up the cup and drink this horrible tasting stuff. And I drink it. We read recently in New York City, a 19-year-old mother took her 5-year-old son into a toy shop called Toy R Us. And she walked her son up in an area and said, "Son, you stay there, don't move." And the mother turned around, walked out of the store, got on a bus, and went down south and left her 5-year-old son behind. How many heard about that? 2 weeks before that, in Brooklyn, New York, a mother was arrested for starving her little baby to death. 1 day before that, somebody found a newborn baby alive in a garbage can. We read of a mother putting her 2 children in a car and pushing the car in the river. Christ is in America. America on her deathbed. In 1996, in the year 2000, Americans must answer the question, will they go to the cemetery or to the hospital? September of this year, in the U.S. News and World Report magazine, headline, "Can the church cure the social ills of America?" And had a picture of a church. And on the side it said, "The Faith Connection." Christians believe that America is in trouble. Christians believe that they have the answers. Jews believe that there's problems in America. Jews believe that they have the answer. Muslims believe also that they have the answer. Who has the answer? وَلَكِنَ الْبَيِّنَةَ عَلَى الْمُدَّعِي, and the burden of proof is on the one who makes the claim. Tonight, I'm asking the Muslims in this area, don't worry so much about making all these claims. But I say to you tonight that the proof of these claims actually lie in your hands and in my hands. If you want to prove to the people of America that Islam has the answer, then you yourself should be the first reciprocants. You yourself should be the ones who prove through your own life that Islam has the answer. How then can Islam help others if Islam can't help you?